Let's see how to pair iPad Air with Apple Pencil. In the first step, open Settings menu. Now select Bluetooth option. Now switch Bluetooth to on. In the next step, place Apple Pencil on iPad Air's side. After that, wait until pairing prompt appears. Now press the pair button. In the next step, go to Settings screen. Next, click on Apple Pencil option. After that, make sure Scribble feature is on. In the next step, look at Apple Pencil battery level in settings. After that, charge on the iPad's side if needed. Later, check if it shows under My Devices in Bluetooth. In the next step, launch Notes application, then test writing with Apple Pencil, then ensure smooth interaction. You are good to go.